Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel, and welcome to my new camper van. Look, I have the table and I have the couch, but I'm just joking, that's not my camper van. We did rent this Ford Transit 250 high top, not extended, from Enterprise to help my friend Jay move. He's moving to Atlantic City, so we're gonna put a good 600 miles on this baby. And this is part of the series where I'm testing a few different vans to see if they're good for a camper van. I just set this real quick, so I have it as a little setup for the joke that I was pranking you for, snaking you, if you will. But let's go around the van and see how it looks. Alright, so this is a 2018 Ford Transit 250, probably a bit outside of my price range. We rented it from Enterprise. We're not sponsored or anything, but it is a nice van. It has a nice backup camera on the front, and these doors swivel all the way out. It's really cool. And then there is a sliding door over here. I think if I get a van, should have a sliding door because it's easier to open. It has nice big opening. You can work inside. There's some of my friend Jay's stuff. I think that's it. Let's get to take a look at the front. Really simple. This one doesn't have swiveling chairs, but they can be put separately. Steering wheel, gear lever. It's pretty nice. It has an auxiliary port so we can listen to music. Well, pretty decent van. So now I'm gonna take it up for a drive and see how it feels for the next 600 miles. Stay tuned. We'll get back to the results at the end of this video. Oh boy, it's 2 a.m. We're already in Atlantic City. Did we get this baby for a spin? It's already 450 miles and I have another 150 miles to get back home. But it really drives nice. The truck is really good. We spent a lot of hours packing, loading, driving to Atlantic City and unloading. I'm gonna take a few minutes over here. See, we're at the Borgata, and then on the other side you have Harrah's and Golden Nugget. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. I do like this van. It's a bit out of my reach. I'm gonna look for more options. If you guys liked this very short video on this beautiful van, actually let me show you the inside when it's dark, because it's really nicely lit. Those LEDs, well, don't mind the chair over there, that was my passenger seat for my wife, but the LEDs are super nice, and it has actually a rattle trap over there in the sides and on the top. It is really, it is really a nice van. Well, I'm gonna leave you at this. I have a long way to drive home. Of course, if you like this video on this truck, van that I can't afford, but I'm still looking for viable solutions for my camper van, hit the thumbs up. I know you want it, I know you do. Also, if you are interested in following the Car Ghost channel, subscribe. Consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell, because notifications are cool. Till next time, bye.